Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Taobao Chinese shopping app. If you have been sourced and ship product from China using Taobao Chinese shopping app, but you find it difficult to link or make payments with your bank card, whether MasterCard or Visa card, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to link your Visa card or bank card to your Taobao Chinese shopping app for easy sourcing, shipment, and payment to your goods or to your supplier on Taobao Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So like for instance, I'm going to use a particular random product as an example right here in this video. Let's say for instance, I want to buy this particular shoes right here. First thing first, go ahead and click on the product link. Having clicked on the product link, then here you go. You can see this particular store here accepts Visa card and likewise MasterCard options right here. And I'm going to show you on how to easily link your bank card for easy payment for this type of supplier on Taobao. For that, go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. Just like so. So from the checkout right here, you'll find out that only Alipay options are available right here. However, there are still ways by which you can use to add your MasterCard or Visa card to shop and make payments on Taobao. For that, what you need to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. Just like so. So from the checkout right here, you want to make sure you scroll down right here. And here you go. You have the option for credit or debit card options right here. Now, for you to add your bank card, you can see this plus sign right here. Simply click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this particular interface right here. So from the options right here, the first option here is to enter the bank card numbers. The long 16-digit number at the back of your card should be added right here. Then followed by the card holder name and the surname right here. The month and the expire year on the card and the CVV, the 3-digit number at the back of your card. Once you fill up all the detail, you can decide to turn on this particular button right here, which make it a default payment, which means that whenever you want to source and ship product or you want to pay for any supplier on Taobao, there is no need of you adding a new bank card again. The card is going to be your default card payment if you enable this button right here. Finally, go ahead and click on here. This allows you to save your bank card on the system on Taobao. So from there, you can easily select your card for payment of your goods at any checkpoint on any store on Taobao. It's that simple. This is what I have for you as far as how to link your bank card to your Taobao Chinese shopping app. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, Idlefish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.